Welcome to the Learning Square. As most of you may be aware, a H1B visa holder has to work only for his employer, specified in the I-129 petition. He cannot start a business or have any other active source of income. But, do you know that a H1B visa holder is eligible to legally work for multiple jobs? Yes, he can take up another job along with his existing job. In today's video we will see how this can be done. So, let us begin. Imagine you are on a H1B visa and working for employer A. You think you have time and want to take up another job. Yes, this is possible. You can approach another employer, say employer B, and get another job. All the new, or the secondary employer, has to do is to file a concurrent H1B for you, and you can start working for both jobs. The process involved in filing the secondary H1B is very much similar to the process of filing a standard H1B. The main difference here is that the concurrent H1B should have mention of the primary employer in the application. For more details on H1B requirements and process, check out the video shown on the card. Once your petition is submitted and you receive the receipt, you can start working. You don't have to wait for the concurrent H1B approval before starting to work. It is also important to note that as per the immigration laws, the primary employer, in this case, need not be informed about you taking the secondary employment. There is no way for the primary employer to be aware of your new employment unless you tell them. Here are some key facts that you should know about concurrent H1B. 1. A H1B worker can work for two companies at the same time. 2. A H1B worker can work for two end clients with the same company at the same time. 3. A H1B worker can work for two companies for two different roles, as long as the roles meet the specialty occupation criteria. For example, he can work as a software engineer for one employer and as a system consultant for another employer. 4. The second employment is usually a part-time one, but it can also be a full-time, but chances for USCIS approving full-time concurrent H1B is very low. 5. The concurrent H1B filing fees is same as a standard H1B application. Premium processing is also available. 6. If the H1B worker is laid off, or leaves the primary H1B position, he will remain in status, and can still continue working for the secondary H1B employer. 7. A H1B worker does not have to apply for a second stamping for his concurrent H1B job. It is sufficient that he has one valid H1B visa stamp in his passport to re-enter USA. 8. Working for multiple jobs is allowed only for H1B visa holders. A L1 worker cannot work for multiple jobs. Hope this video was useful. Our intention to create this video was to make you aware of what a concurrent H1B is, and to familiarize to you that there is an option if someone on H1B is looking to go for multiple jobs. The rules, requirements, eligibility are subject to change, and it is always advisable to speak to an attorney for more clarification on any questions. Happy learning!